Hello guys, and welcome back to another TeckWrap tutorial. In this video, we are going to go through all these things from TeckWrap, and I'm going to show you what's inside all of these packages. So let's start with the heat transfer vinyl. This one is the Pastel Puff HTV sheets pack. And do you notice this amazing thing that they did on their packaging? You usually have to pay for these, which are the guides that you put in your t-shirt so that you can put your HTV in the appropriate position. So you can actually cut this out, you can laminate it and save it. This is amazing. Okay, so first I'm going to tell you what the packages are, and then we're going to open them and see what's inside. The other thing that I got was the Christmas sheets pack and the holographic laminate sheets, and we also have assorted holo printable sticker vinyl and matte white printable sticker vinyl, some vinyl samples, the squeegee. And what's amazing about this, I will open everything with you in a bit. What's amazing about this is it actually has a ruler, inches, centimeters, and it also has felt in the plastic, so that sometimes when you are scraping hard on your vinyl, you can sometimes leave some scrape marks. So this is going to be gentle on your vinyl. I also got weeder set and a cutter set. And what I am most excited about is this organizer, which is for your vinyls. It has two sides. I will show you it in a bit. It has two sides, one for your vinyl rolls and another side is for your 12 by 12 vinyl sheets or cardstock. So I'm going to show you all that in a bit. And I also got some vinyl rolls. I will show you the colors. So let's start with the tools that they sent me. Now, we all know that TeckWrap has amazing quality HTVs and vinyls, adhesive vinyls. They also make tools. Now, not many of us know that, but they're starting to expand their tool collections. So I have these two sets. This is the weeder set and this is the cutter set. And I also have this squeegee. So let's open them up and check them out. So this squeegee comes with a ruler on a side, which is very, very useful. I keep rulers all the time on my desk. I have like 5 over here, so I'm obsessed with rulers. They always come in handy when you're quickly wanting to see and position things. This also comes with a felt, which is covering the side of the scraper, and what this does is when you're scraping down your vinyl, sometimes it leaves scratches on your vinyl, but with the felt, it protects the vinyl. So loving this. Next, let's open our weeder set. Okay, so as we can see, it has a straight tip. It has a protective cover, as well as this bent one. And all these are interchangeable. I'll show you how to change it now. And there's also this one that looks kind of like a hook. And they all have these protective covers on them. And in order to change it, you just slide it out and you slide it in this way. Okay. now let's open the cutter. All right, the cutter also comes with 2 replaceable blades. And here it is up close. I will be using it in the next crafts, and I will be comparing it to the Cricut cutter. In size, they are almost the same size. So I used to love using the Cricut one, so I'm sure this one is also as comfortable because they're the same size. Okay, and to change it, it's the same way. You just slide this out and replace with your next cutter. Okay, next let's check the vinyls and HTV. All right, next is the HTV, and this is puff heat transfer vinyl. So let's open it. And check out what's inside. These are beautiful colors. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. I love everything pastel colors. Look at these. Such gorgeous colors. And of course, as usual, TeckWrap always puts instructions on the cut settings and the heat settings that you should press your HTV with. I will keep this up here in case you need to take a screenshot of it. Okay, now let's move on to the next package, which is the Christmas sheets. So I'm sure this one is also gorgeous colors. Wow, look at this. I love these matte colors. They're sort of metallic, but like not shiny. It's kind of matte. It has such a luxurious look. Beautiful colors. And transfer tapes as well. They think of everything. Okay. Let's go to the next one, and of course here are the cut settings. All right, next is holographic laminate sheets. Let's check those. Okay, we have stars. Oh, these are gorgeous. We have snowflakes. Can you see them with the reflections? I'm sorry, the reflection of my camera. These are snowflakes. These are just some random glitter. This is also some random geometric pattern. And there's 2 sheets of each. This is some stars or snowflakes, sparkles. Here are hearts. These are butterflies and some sparkly dots. And also a how to use instruction sheet. Okay, next is the assorted holo printable sticker vinyl. I'm excited for this one. I will make another video so that we can make some stickers. Let's open this. Okay, also as usual, the instruction sheet. And here we have some plain holographic ones, and then some patterns, like a swirly pattern. How beautiful are these, you guys? These are also just some plain patterns, and this is like a square pattern. Okay. Next up is the matte white printable sticker vinyl. Well, this is just matte sticker paper or sticker vinyl, but let me just show you guys. The texture is really, really nice. It's very velvety, so you can be sure that it's going to be premium stickers, and then you can actually also laminate them with the laminate sheets if you want. As well, the instruction paper. Now let's open this vinyl samples. These are some holographic flowers, roses, and this is a leopard print. It is gorgeous. If you guys can see these colors, like, oh my god, I haven't seen vinyls with this variety except at TeckWrap, honestly. This is a neon, I think this is the glow in the dark glitter vinyl. And this is another one, and this is another one. So of course I'll be doing projects with all these things, and you guys will watch them here in this channel. Now let's go for the next thing that I was so excited about, which is the vinyl storage system. I'm so excited about this one. So what this is that you put your vinyl rolls actually on one side, on this side, and you can put your 12 by 12 sheets of whatever it is, whether it's cardstock, vinyl sheets, sticker sheets, anything that is 12 by 12, you can insert them here. I will show you how I organize mine. I had a previous one from a generic brand, but it did not have this 12 by 12 organization, which for me, this is a game changer. So I'm definitely putting down mine, which I will show you in a bit, and I'm going to be putting this one instead, and probably will order more of this because this is a game changer for your craft rooms. Okay, so let's go and organize our vinyls. So this is the vinyl organizer, you guys. So I'm going to be using it in this side, which is the side for the 12 by 12 sheets, because I'm more excited about this than the rolls, and because I did not have space for my 12 by 12 packets. And notice that it actually fits the vinyls with the package itself, with the package that it comes in, although it gets a bit snug because you're not supposed to save it this way. You're supposed to put the sheets on their own, but it actually works out. So I'm going to fill this with all my sheets. I'm still not sure whether I'm going to keep the packets or not. And also I was thinking, if I do keep the packets, I will put labels to know which each packet is. Now, TeckWrap also sends you these hooks to hook up your vinyl organizer, but I already had these drilled into my wall because like I mentioned before, I had a generic one that I was using. So I'm going now to also organize my rolls, and I'm going to flip it and show you how it looks like. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you check out TeckWrap's products. All links will be available in the description box below. And for now, goodbye and see you in the next one.